Okay, just because I didn't do one in a while, feature walk. What can my e-bike do in the moment? And what do I still have to change for the summer? Let's start with the good things. I got an USB point right here with both connectors, so I can charge my phone and of course see the state. Like how hot it is, how many volts do I have, how many watts do I pull. Just so I don't have to take care of my phone charging when I'm on the move. Wrong side. Of course wrong side, it's USB. Again, it's still the wrong side. I did try this side. God damn it. Yeah, you can charge your phone. Of course, you got still the huge solar panel. I changed the output. I got 12 volt output right here, and I connect the charging for the LiPos. I got the plane that's solar powered. Well, it's not solar powered, but you charge it on solar. I changed the position from the ESC. It's now in here, and you can freely program it. I'll show you that in a second. Of course, we got light. One red in the back, white in the front. Of course, we got light on the trailer too. Actually, I'll leave it open. We got an air pump for later. But there are some things I need to change. First of all, look at this. I can drive like this, but I don't like it for the summer. I have to change this. Also, I got some dual hook right here, so I can remove the phone and get the GPS if I need it, and just put it there. Really nice if you ask me. For the people who don't like tech stuff, just skip ahead a few minutes. I'm gonna show you the software actually. Okay, that's the software for the motor. I can connect to the ESC. Oh, it's already. And you can limit everything. You can limit the speed, you can limit the temps, you can limit everything. Right now, it's limited to 7 amps. 7 amps at 84 volts. No wait, at 48 volts. It's around 250 watts. And that's about the maximum I want right now. For the simple reason I only get a maximum of 270 watts from the solar panel. And that's like if it's in full sun. So I don't want to overdo it. Also, if I put it at, I don't know, 60 watts, I can, in theory, pull like 2,000, 3,000 watts. But there's no way I'm gonna do this when riding. I cannot stop myself from actually using it if I got it. So I have to limit myself. There's a newer version of this. This is BLDC tool. And that's the new version. Old version go away. That's the new version. I could upgrade to it. There are some things that are supposedly better on this version, but it works perfectly. There's no reason to never change a working system. Okay, let's pack everything I need and let's go flying. Also, there's something only regular people will notice. I'm starting to clean my basement again. Slowly. Really slowly. Something you might not know. In Germany, you cannot use these to blow them up or anything else. Well, we could, but it gets expensive really fast. Since most of my viewers are from the US, you probably don't know it, but we pay 25 cents per bottle. They are 25 cents. So basically 4 of them is €1. You guys can, I don't know, put pressure and air in this and blow them up. We really can't. I mean, we can, but it gets expensive fast. Yeah, 250 watts. The bottles you saw 6 Euros. Also der das quasi nur konvertiert, ist der grüne.
Ja.
Der macht auf den 24 Volt 48 Volt, ist auch MPPT, also er lädt vernünftig.
Ja.
Ne, balanciert die Zellen auch so ein bisschen.
Und hat er Unterspannung, hast du Ordnung? Unterspannung-Auslösung muss er ja auch haben, ne?
Ja, auch. Also er schaltet ab, wenn es zu viel wird.
Was ist das für ein Modul jetzt?
270 Watt
Ja.
bei 24 Volt. Das ist groß, ne?
Ja.
Aber funktioniert einfach.
Ja. Hast du das nach Bauanleitung gemacht?
Alles handgebaut.
Ja, aber nach Bauanleitung.
Nein. Alles handgebaut. So I traded this full of empty bottles. I traded it for 2 water 6-packs. It's quite nice. I like it. So we got some sun, place to fly. We're currently getting 140 watts. I don't know if you can see this. Well, 120, nothing. 40. Back. Yeah, it's not the best weather for it. So just to get a feel, I'm pretty sure you can see that we are at 66% when we stop for flying. 66%. And we don't really got any sun. We get nothing right now. Well, that was nice. We are at about 54%, but that's mostly because, well, too many clouds. But yeah,
Nice ride.